up? It's Mr. X to the Z Exhibit YTB. Just keep it going, peace.
Lost Boyz or Naughty by Nature? See, this is the next verses. I think we setting it up.
Ooh, that's easy.
Renee, one of my favorite records.
Nah, but you gotta go Naughty.
You gotta go Naughty.
Yeah, gotta go Naughty. Treach and them is my man. Those LB fam is my brothers forever.
Still don't know how to do this.
And Treach is incredible. Yeah, nah, it ain't even that. It's just what they did coming out of Jersey.
Yeah, they did a lot.
Yeah, they revolutionized. They still on tour to this day doing them anthems, man.
Yeah,
Verzuz.
What up guys, this is your boy DJY and I'm back with another episode. In today's episode I want to show you posts of Treach from Nore by Nature who reacts Jadakiss talking about Verzuz battle between Lost Boyz and Nore by Nature. So in his post, Treach said, "I don't think so, Nore slime. Ain't MF spoke on the side about no like that below. Me and Crazy are on point on the regular. That's not even level. Rest in peace, Freakta. Salute, nephew. With all due respect, Nore, if you do a live versus with Nore, you all better dig deep. The way Nore would chef off a versus will have a new Jadakiss moment. You'll better leave us Jersey boys alone. The entire stage is showing up. You'll know who opened up and ran the early to mid-19th and let's be clear, it ain't about entourage, it's about beats, bars, and bro, it's enough, man. Never play with Nore by Nature, man. Nore by Nature is one of the biggest hip-hop group of all time. Also, guys, don't forget, Treach's favorite rapper of GOAT Eminem, man. Enough is said. Everything is clear, bro. Nore by Nature is the biggest, bro. They are real game changers, man. This is true facts. It goes without doubt, without saying. Shout out to Treach, man. He's one of my favorite rapper, man. So guys, what you think about versus battle between Lost Boyz and Nore by Nature? If it ever happened, please tell me in comment section.
When I'm on one, I get the poppin' at the lip, catch another sip and triple with the wrong one. Don't wanna be the one to catch your body, but if it gotta be reality, I'm the killer with the chrome one. And you don't want, and put the rest in your body when I'm reloading the shotty low, the shotty glow. Like a snotty nose, open the sliding door, the walking through the patio, up in the shiny folk. Hello, let me get your cash cause I'm going broke. Or when the bank bills fall, or they hit the boat. I gotta go and get away because they coming for me, gotta hit the port of Miami, then I jump on the boat. The helicopter surrounding me from the robbery, told them nobody stopping the lottery. Lot of be getting killed from the steel, blood spill for real. They get chills from the ice pick, ice shit. You don't wanna try this, come and get your motherfucking eyelids sliced, bitch. Now you gotta be the one to get it, cause you got up in the way, and I'ma send you back to Christ in the middle of a crisis. Lost my job, I lost my crib, now everybody got a mask on, fuck COVID-19, 11 cuts, I got the government issue, to get the government issues, better be paying attention. Defund the ops, or get dropped with a headshot, now you bitches dealing with a dead cop, and every single one of you motherfuckers up in the KKK, I'ma line up with a red dot, Karate coming to South America, chopping on me, murder you maggots, I'm running up with the Wesson. I sobered up and I'm still recovering, remember we suffer, see my brothers are dealing with this depression. I gotta kill again, fill it up with adrenaline, leave a body obliterated, it's full of hatred. Fuck what they talking, I'm bringing nothing but pain with a pen, I aim, explain my frustration. Rush, when the motherfucker have to go and pick up the pump. Just kick up, jump, you lit up the gun. Into adrenaline, rush. When the motherfucker have to go and pick up the pump. Just kick up and jump, you lit up the gun. Into adrenaline, rush. When the motherfucker have to go and pick up the pump. Just kick up and jump, you lit up. Let your adrenaline rush. Man, shout out to everybody, bro.
YTV is in the building. YTV is in the building, baby.
Yo, what up? It's Mr. X to the Z Exhibit YTB. Just keep it
in the peaceful time, and if you imagine